What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'll be working on a BMW E60 525 today, which is this car. It's pretty iconic for the M5 because it's the V10. On the paint, it's oxidation, swirls, holograms, watermark, all kinds of paint damages on the paint, so it would be a pretty tough job to restore this car. But for one thing, I'm pretty surprised, which is the headlights. It's in pretty good shape. So for today, it's been raining the entire afternoon, so I couldn't really do much work, but I actually cleaned the interior. So the interior is clean except for the carpets because I will be moving the car around, so there's no point vacuuming the carpets right now. So let's cut it short. Let's head right into the details. Make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, comment in the comment section below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys at the end. Yo guys, so I have completed the BMW E60 5 Series 525, and it's been a full day of curing the coating today because my client is only free to collect the car at night, and basically the coating is already fully cured. As you can see, the water beading here as well, looking very nice guys. So I mean, the paint is relatively in bad shape to begin with. The whole car has been repainted and some spots are just terrible, but swirl wise I managed to recover most of it, and the tail lights was the most impressive, as you can see in the before and after shots. So I did the interior, the paint, the coating, the wheels and everything. Of course I removed all the watermark from all the glass, so it's pretty nice now. And I'm just gonna send the car back to the client right now. So I guess that's it. So if you got any questions, comment in the comment section below. Make sure you like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.